Hello there. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a sales funnel using the Interfunnels wizard. So in the previous video, we showed you how to create a opt-in funnel, but today we're going to do the sales funnel. So what is a sales funnel? Basically, when you want to sell something online, when you want to accept payments for a single product or a digital product or anything, then you will do the sales funnel. But when you want to capture the leads, you will do the leads funnel, right? So we're going to go for the sales funnel, and then it's going to ask me what kind of sales funnel we want to build. What is our business type, basically, right? So we have the e-commerce funnel, we have the digital products, we have the appointment funnels, we have the event funnels, we have the health related funnels. So anything that you can sell in these industries, you can build a sales funnel about. And the process is the same for all of them, right? So let's say I select a single product funnel, and this is a kind of a one page website where you just take you present your product in a nice way. There is an order form, and there is an option to select the different products, same product with different variations. Actually, you want to sell single product using the sales funnel, because sales funnel is not like a shopping cart where you have a bunch of products and a lot of categories. Basically, you can just sell one product at a time, right? So first of all, I have to choose the template. So we have a one-step order templates, and we have two-step order templates. Like, for example, I'll show you, there are some two-step order templates as well. If you want a two-step order template, then you can choose that. But in this particular case, for example, this one is a two-step order template, right? So the benefit of using a two-step order template is that you first capture the name and email of the person. And all these funnels come with the built-in pop-ups, the one like just saw. And then this is the two-step, right? So first step, you're going to take the first name, email address, etc. And even if they don't pay, you still have their email address, and you can follow up with them using the email marketing. So there are a lot of people who abandon on this step, on the payment step. So you don't show them any price or anything unless they go to the step 2. And on the step 2, what you're doing is you're basically showing them the product price and order bump and the payment details, like you're capturing PayPal or credit card. So this is the benefit of using a two-step order template, right? So we're going to select this one, or maybe we can select a one-step for the sake of understanding. So let's say we select this one. We're selling these fitness bands, for example, and in the Shopify you can sell a lot of products, but this allows you to sell a single product at a time, right? This is a single product drop shipping product. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the next. Now it's going to ask us some details about this funnel, right? So we're going to put it like fitness band funnel. Okay. Fit and healthy. Okay, that's my administrator name, and I'm gonna say fit support at fitandhealthy.com. This is my administrator email. This is the email that is going to go with all the order emails that you're sending out to your customers. Okay, so I can select the currency. I have like baht, Thai baht, pound, Canadian dollars, etc. Indian rupee. So I have all kind of currencies available here. And next, okay, now we are on the payment step. So if you haven't set up a payment gateway from here, from the top menu, what you can do is you can come here, and from here you can basically set up your PayPal account, Stripe account, authorized.net account, and we have a bunch of other gateways. You can even accept the bank transfer or cash on delivery, especially if you're in India or in countries where PayPal doesn't work. So you can always take the cash on delivery option, and then you click the next. Okay, so now on this step, what you're going to do is, you're going to set up some of the emails that will go out from your funnel. For example, when people sign up, when people fill their order form, this is the email you want to send out. So I will just click the save button, and then we have other options here, and then we go to the admin notification. This is the notification email that will go out to the admin, for example. And I'm going to save this as well. Now it's asking me to put the price and customize my products. So what I'm going to do is I can change this to fitness band blue. I can create multiple variants. Okay. and then I'm going to hit the save button, and then I'm going to the plans, and I'm going to change the price of this product according to my product. For example, my product is $25, right? So I'm going to update it, and then I'm going to set up the second variation of my product, which is the fitness band red, for example. I'm going to update this. This will change the name of the product. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the price, and I'm going to make it, let's say, $27. Okay, then I'm going to update it. All right, so now the two products have been updated. Now I can set up an order bump as well. So what is an order bump? It's a small window that appears inside your order form. It's a box that appears in your order form at the time of checkout, and it's another product that they can add to their cart just at the right time of the checkout. So we have noticed that it increases your checkout value, and a lot of people do order that order bump. So I'm going to set up a order bump. I'm going to call it, for example, I'm going to call it stepping rope. Okay, all right. And so people who are fitness conscious, they might also want to order the stepping rope, right? So I'm going to price it a little lower, $10. All right. Okay. So we have like 1, 2 stepping rope. Okay, we don't need a recurring product. We're going to delete this. But if you do have a recurring product, then you should basically put it in there, because this is a recurring product. So I'm going to click the next. My products are set up. Whether I want an upsell or not, yes, I do want one upsell, and I'm going to call it, what should be the upsell? Okay, 2-in-1. Okay, one time OTO, 2 bands in one price. Okay, so upsell price is like $43, and upsell status is active. Okay, now I can go to the customize my funnel. Now you see, this is my order page. After the order page, I have confirmation page. I also have a spin wheel here. I'm gonna record another video about the spin wheel and how it works. But this is a spin wheel, and then we have the pop-ups. You can customize all these things here. Okay, for example, I'm gonna preview this page, which is the order page. I'm gonna click here, and as you can see, it shows me 2 products. One is the fitness band blue, which is $25. Another is the fitness band red, which is $27. And this is my order bump. I haven't customized it, but I can change this text and everything here, and I can put an image here. So this is my order bump. They can also add this to their order, and it will be instantly added to their order total. So this is order summary. This is order form. And here they can select the PayPal, credit card, whatever payment gateway you want, and then they can hit the complete order. And you can fully customize this page basically. And this page has a very high conversion because it has all these reviews, these pictures nicely here, and you can always change these pictures whatever way you want, and you can add more sales copy to it. But this is very good for the drop shipping funnels, single product drop shipping funnels, and single product sales funnels. So that's it, guys, for today. This was a tutorial about how to use the wizard for creating your e-commerce funnel. But the same way you can create any kind of funnel. For example, you can create a digital product funnel, you can create a membership funnel, you can create a health related funnel, events funnel. All these are covered in this wizard. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this. See you